99 plus speaker success tips, tactics, strategies, and don't forget actionable items. Hey, start speaking and presenting like a real rock star speaker by Bart Smith. Read to you by the author himself. That's me. Yeah. Hey, this book, 99 plus speaker success tips, tactics, and strategies, and don't forget actionable items, is protected by copyright law. The contents of this book may not be reproduced or transmitted in any form or by any means, electronic or mechanical, except for the inclusion of brief quotations in a review. That's okay. Hey, for more information about this book, individual orders, bundled orders, discounts on bulk quantity, discounts, purchases, and audio products, interviews, information on seminars, joint venture opportunities, mentoring, consulting, booking Bart Smith to speak at your next seminar, workshop, or event, please contact the author. That's me. Through my website, speakercafe.com or bartsmithworld.com. All right. Hey, let's get into the book. Table of contents. As you can see or hear, I essentially wrote this book in three main parts. The book is broken up into speaker success tips to implement before, while, and after you speak. After reading this book or listening to the audio program and following as many of my tips and suggestions as possible, see how your own speaker performance results and success improve almost instantly. Hey, in advance, I look forward to great days ahead for you as a speaker, presenter, seminar leader, and more. The table of contents, part 1. Implement these speaker success tips before you speak. Part 2, implement these speaker success tips while you speak. And part 3 of the book, implement these speaker success tips after you speak. And then I've got a bonus report at the end called Presentation Nervousness Be Gone. That's a great report. I love that one. And then Speaker Success Wrap Up. And then a few speaker resources for you. All right, let's continue this audio program. 99 plus speaker success tips, tactics, strategies, and don't forget actionable items. Come on.